Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about prepositions of place, in, at, or on, and this is an A2 level lesson. Alright, so see if you can describe these pictures. Where are these people? So here we would say she is in the kitchen, he is standing on the train, and they are waiting at the bus stop. Now let's match the pictures to the sentences. So London is in England, that's picture A. There is a fountain in the park, that's picture B. And the children are in the swimming pool, picture C. So here we're going to talk about in. So the ball is in the orange box. We use in for a continent. He lives in Europe. We also use it for a country. Vancouver is in Canada. And a city or a town. There are a lot of museums in Paris. Can also use in for a room. Jake is in his bedroom. An area in the room. There is a lamp in the corner. And other areas. There is a tree in the field. All right, so now make some sentences using the word in. So where are the men? Well, they are in a park. Where is Moscow? Moscow is in Russia. And where do they live? They live in an apartment building. All right, how about these? Where does he live? He lives in India. Where is this building? This building is in New York City. And where is he? He is in a garage. Now we'll match the pictures to the sentences. He is at the traffic lights. That would be picture B. She is at the door, picture A. And she lives at 45 Smith Street, picture C. So he is at his desk. We use at for a building. I'm at the supermarket. We can also use at for the number of a house or apartment. He lives at 12 White Avenue. Or for a work area inside. She is studying at her desk. We also use at for things that people do. So I'm at work, he's at lunch, he is at the office. And also for places where people do things. They are at a restaurant, he is at a match, they are at a party. Now make some sentences using at. So where are they sitting? They are sitting at the table. Where is John? John is at the train station. Where are Louise and Simon? They are at the theater. Where are Arthur and Julie? They are at a play. Where is Peter? Peter is at a bookstore. And where is David? David is at the bus stop. Now we're going to talk about on. We use on for a street. He lives on that street. A floor or level. My bedroom is on the second floor. An outside area. They are on the balcony. And a thing that you sit on. The paper is on the bench. We also use on for surfaces. The picture is on the wall. A large vehicle. She is on the plane. And an individual vehicle. He is on a horse. So we use on for an individual vehicle, like a skateboard, horse, bicycle, or motorcycle, and on for a large vehicle, a plane, train, or a bus. And the key here is that they are big enough that you can walk around them. We use in for smaller vehicles, car, truck, van, minibus. You cannot usually walk around inside these vehicles. All right, so let's make some sentences using on. So where is her office? Her office is on the 5th floor. Where is she? She is on the porch. And where is he sitting? He is sitting on a bench. Where is the rug? The rug is on the floor. Where are they? They are on a ship. And where is he? He is on a bicycle, and he's also on the street. All right, now try these on your own. You'll decide whether you're going to use in, at, or on. You can write down your answers, pause the video, write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. So I live at 43 Whitehall Street. Los Angeles is in the United States. I live in an apartment. The man is standing on a balcony. Joan is waiting at the bus stop. And William is running in the park. Someone is knocking at the door. Brazil is in South America. Ew, there's a spider on the wall. The car is waiting at the traffic light. Please do not put your feet on the table. And there is a clock on the wall. I am sitting on the grass. Roger is cooking in the kitchen. The children are playing in the garden. He is reading a book on the bus. Tom is sleeping on the sofa. Berlin is in Germany. Please call later. He is not at his desk now. And I put my keys in my bag. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, please leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.